For 2021, Moto Guzzi is introducing two versions of its least expensive model, the V7 Stone and V7 Special. Both are powered by a new 850cc engine that's a version of the powerplant in the V85 TT. The bike has been further refined via the chassis, which has been swapped out for a stiffer headstock for better handling. Twin rear shock absorbers with longer travel, new footpeg support brackets, rear mudguard, side panels, and a new two-tier seat to provide additional comfort for pilots and passengers. Guzzi has also told us the V7 Stone will come in 3 satin finish color schemes when it hits North America: Nero Ruvido, Azzurro Ghiaccio, and Arancione Rame, which are basically black, blue, and orange. The 2021 Stone variant comes down to model preference and how retro you want to get, with the base Stone wearing cast wheels and a single-gauge digital display, along with full LED lighting with DRL, topped with a black saddle. Moto Guzzi claims the new engine has a 25% boost in maximum power, producing 65 horsepower at 6,800 RPM and 54 pound-feet of torque at 5,000 RPM. That's 13 more horses and 10 more pound-feet than the outgoing V7 third. Guzzi also claims that more than 80% of its torque is available at 3,000 RPM. In the United States, the Stone's MSRP will be $8,990 and the Special is $9,490. Canadian prices are $10,990 and $11,590 respectively.